Every morning, on quiet farms far away from city noise, a special kind of treasure grows silently, attached not to trees, but to the heads of deer. These aren't wild animals running through forests. These are farmed with care, raised not for meat or fur, but for something much stranger, antlers. But not the hard, dry ones you see on hunters' walls. These are soft, living antlers, covered in velvet. And in many parts of Asia, this velvet is worth its weight in gold. Why? Because for thousands of years, people believed it could boost energy, heal the body, and even restore youth. And now, modern labs are blending these ancient beliefs with new science. The process starts with feeding, moves into gentle harvesting, and ends in high-tech factories turning velvet into powders, pills, wines, and even beauty treatments. It's a strange, silent industry built around antlers that grow back every year. The daily life of velvet deer. On a deer farm, nothing is random. Every deer follows a routine, starting with breakfast. Big bales of wheat straw rolled across fields. Farmers use this straw not for decoration, but as an essential part of the deer's diet. It's loaded with fiber and helps keep their digestion smooth and healthy. Once the straw is rolled up, it's broken apart and evenly placed into troughs. Each deer eats calmly in its own spot. Why so much care over grass? Because a healthy deer grows strong, clean antlers. And that's the goal. These aren't hunting farms. They're velvet farms, built around one product, deer antler velvet. The velvet harvest begins. When the time is right and the antlers have grown thick with velvet, the real work starts. Farmers guide mature deer gently into special pens designed for one thing, calmness. These pens are narrow, not to trap the deer, but to hold them safely still. That way, they don't panic or injure themselves. Why such care? Because the antlers are still alive at this stage. They're soft, filled with blood vessels, and need to be removed without causing pain. Trained workers use clean, quick methods approved by veterinarians. It's not a brutal process. It's more like a precise surgery. And after the harvest, the deer get time to rest, heal, and grow them all over again next season. Turning velvet into powdered gold. Once harvested, the antlers aren't sent out whole. They're cleaned, dried, and then passed through grinding machines. What comes out is a fine, earthy powder like ground herbs. But this isn't for your kitchen spice rack. This powder is packed into capsules, mixed into liquid tonics, or made into traditional tablets used in Eastern medicine. In many cultures, deer velvet powder is seen as a health booster. Some say it strengthens the immune system. Others believe it helps with recovery after surgery or injury. Science is still catching up, but the demand keeps growing. Velvet powder isn't always swallowed as a pill. In traditional medicine, it's often blended into wine. Yes, wine. But not the kind you drink at parties. This is medicated wine, a mix where the alcohol acts like a carrier, helping the body absorb the antler's nutrients faster. It's believed this drink boosts energy, improves circulation, and warms the body. In cold regions and during recovery from illness, people reach for a small glass of this tonic instead of pills. The wine is aged with velvet slices, allowing every drop to carry a bit of this ancient remedy. Though it sounds like folklore, this practice continues today, not only in rural areas, but in modern wellness circles as well. Deer meat, a gourmet prize. While the antlers steal the spotlight, the rest of the deer isn't wasted. Deer meat is a delicacy in many parts of China. It's lean, high in protein, and rich in flavor. The process of preparing it starts with strict hygiene and inspection protocols. Clean handling matters, especially when meat is destined for luxury restaurants or health-conscious homes. Each cut is carefully trimmed and packaged. Some parts go straight into the market. Others are marinated and sold as part of ready-to-cook meals. Deer farming, in this way, provides not only ancient medicine, but premium food as well. It's a full-circle system. Nothing goes to waste. Velvet baths. Beauty meets tradition. This might surprise you. Deer antler velvet is now part of beauty therapy. Known as velvet baths, these treatments use either dried powder or fresh slices of antler velvet added to warm bath water. People believe the nutrients in velvet help rejuvenate the skin, improve circulation, and leave the body feeling refreshed. In spas across Asia, clients soak in these baths as part of skin brightening or anti-aging routines. Some even claim it helps ease joint pain and muscle stiffness. Whether for beauty or wellness, velvet baths are making their way into global spa menus. Backed by centuries of tradition and modern curiosity,